Guys, enjoy lang natin yung night. And sabi nga, yung taon na to, masyadong maraming challenges. But through it all, yung buong team na Santo Son, nalampasan yun.
And napakaswerte natin dito kasi may trabaho tayo. Ang dami kaya walang trabaho. Na yung trabaho nyo, gusto nila magtrabaho, kaya ninyo.
Alam niyo po, sa dami ng napuntahan kong Christmas parties, talagang masasabi ko, nandito yung pinakamagaganda at mga gwapo at pinakamasaya. Alam nyo, visiting all these Christmas gatherings, the Thanksgiving parties, the simplicity of the celebration does not lessen the meaning of Christmas. Alam nyo po, ang tunay na Pasko ay nasa puso talaga natin. I know everyone is going through their own personal battles. No, kanya-kanyang laban sa buhay. Ako personally, kami personally, this year has not been the best year. We lost a family member. We are a very close family. May nawala sa family. Pero tuloy po ang laban.
Sa mga tao pong individual na nandito ngayong gabi, thank you po kasi lahat ng ginagawa nyo ay napaka-importante and significant to the company and of course to our creator. Have a blessed evening, enjoy the rest of the night and happy holidays. Thank you!
The gift of Christmas is life and hope. And despite the challenges, we are still very grateful. Let's celebrate Christmas with the family, with a peaceful heart. Let's end the year strong. Let's begin the year 2025 stronger. And let's make it the best year ever. So Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year to everyone. And we love you all. Maraming salamat.